You know what's strange? We have more content creators than ever, more platforms than ever, more technology than ever, and yet, what we all are doing with it. How it is helpful for all of us. This is the question that you should ask your own self, that what are you doing with all of this thing? Because I already made a video on related to content consumption, and the quality of our content consumption that we are having is getting poorer, like mostly for our Indians. That's why I'm saying this, because I already see this in my friends, in my family group, in my cousins, that is so small in comparison to me. And really want them to understand it. I really want teenage or adults or people like me who should understand this, so your output will be different. So why I'm asking this? Because in future your life output and its experience will majorly defined by what you are consuming right now. Because this is why that's why I'm creating this video for you, because this is the truth, that in future your life output, your quality of life output is like literally majorly dependent upon what you are giving yourself input. Like what is your input is, like what things you are giving to your own self, what is your input. And that is a very strong thing. So having a social media handle or content creation is our future. We all know all this thing, that having a social media handle or content creation is our future. Because like if you are in any job, it is very valuable that how is your social media handle is like, or you should know how you can be good at creation. Because if you are in any job, if you are doing any job, like if I'm a UI/UX designer, or if I am a product designer, or if I am a lawyer, if I am a doctor, if I am like anything, any job, you should have a content, you should have a social media handle. Because why I'm saying this, that because if you have a social media handle that has a good wide community, and then chances of your opportunity will be expanded. Like this is a great advantage that we all are having right now. But but majorly people are not knowing this. People are not they are not very conscious about this thing, that how social media handles, or if you are growing your social media handle, or if you are creating something on social media, it is very valuable for the future. Because everything is will be connected to your handle, and it will gonna define, and it will increase your surface level of luck. Because if you are having a good community, or if you are having something like that, then your surface area of your luck is getting increased. It is gonna be expanded if your social media handle is have good community, or having some good members on it. Like financially it is also very helpful. If we are not a good aware consumer, then we will not gonna be a good creator. So, and also the quality of content we consume is actually a mirror of our own consciousness level. And that's what we are going to explore today. Because your consciousness level mirror your self, like who you are literally in this present. It will gonna be defined according to your consciousness level. And if your content consumption quality is too poor, if you are high in consciousness but your content consumption quality is too poor, then you will gonna be from high then you will gonna go from high to low. And if you are in the middle, and if some algorithm suggest you something, and you will act upon it without any awareness, then you will gonna be get into the low. You will not gonna go into the high. That is the thing. That is why I am going to tell you about consciousness level. So let's explore about the type of consciousness level you have, the same type of life you will have. So the type of consciousness level you have, the same type of life you will have. It is a very true thing. If you are a teenager or an adult, then in future the AI will gonna be in every industries. If you will have a job, so the generic thing AI will eventually gonna do, but you are a unique human. You are a unique human that has a unique consciousness, and from where unique creation comes. So the consciousness level will play a huge role in upcoming days, right? So you have to think deeply about the things. The surface level thinking will be of no use because it will gonna be done by the AI. So that's why I am making this video, because I will gonna give you my own example. Like, I am a UI UX designer right now, and I know what the hell is happening in the industry right now, because every day there is some another new software that is coming, and it is so disrupting for a human who are doing it, who is doing this from a year and now seeing a shift in the industry. So AI will gonna make so AI will gonna do all the coding thing and everything. So making software is gonna be too easy for the future, and so you will gonna see a lot of softwares, lot of things in the future, because AI will gonna do it. I know like how industry is changing right now, and how it will gonna impact you and your life, your job in the upcoming days. That's why I'm creating this video for you also, that if you are a teenager right now and if you are going to have a job in the future, so you could be not suppressed by the AI but going beyond the AI. So you have to be very you have to know about your consciousness level, so you can create like the AI can't create that thing. So that's why I'm creating this video, that your quality, the content consumption that you are having, it should be very oriented toward your work also and towards your entertainment. Yeah, obviously we all know that our content, a lot of people consume content for entertainment, and it is very good for someone if they are not getting into the loop of scrolling or doom scrolling for hours. So yeah, it is good for them. But if you are having a job, if you are working right now, time is getting into the consumption, so it is not the thing. Seriously, that's why in the future you have to go beyond the AI. So let's explore about consciousness level right now. So first we will gonna talk about the level 1. So this is dormant consumption. Here, like, you are in autopilot. Here you don't choose, you react, and after consumption you didn't remember a single thing. You are not choosing what to think about, the algorithm is choosing that for you. And you can see this, or you can you personally experience this in your own life, that when you start scrolling, you don't remember which video is the first one, which reel is that first reel that you see. So that is that dormant consumption level. This is the level 1. So what is the level 2? It is questioning consumption. So you often ask yourself that, is it true? Is this original? Do I actually consume it? Do I actually agree with this? Or you start mixing what you consume, some trending stuff, but also seeking depth. You don't just remember them, you think because of them. Like, you think differently because of them. You are starting to see the gap between what algorithm wants to feed you and what actually makes you think. So this is the level 2. Let's talk about level 3. So here, intentional consumption. Here is the intentional consumption comes. So you don't consume because something is trending, you consume because it aligns with what you are trying to understand. When you consume something, it doesn't stay in your head, it integrates with everything you already know. Here you are choosing the content you want to consume. So this is level 3. So level 4. In level 4, 4, this is creative consciousness. Here you are transforming what you consume, you are generating new ideas, and because your thinking is clear and unique, others start consuming your ideas. And this is where my video of thread of thoughts comes, where I tell you how the ideas are connected and how one idea lead to another and created a whole different thing, a whole different idea. So that is the thing that I previously tell you about the threads of thought in the threads of thought video. So this is that creative consciousness. So you will gonna see in the YouTube, in the reels, in the Instagram, like in all social media handles, in all social media platforms, that people, like, yeah, some things are trending and people are following it, but there are also different people that is making the trends. They are making the things that get into the trending. So that is the thing that you have to do. You have to make your own trend, so people will gonna follow you. So that is the thing, that's why I always say that I don't create videos on what is trending or what is going on, but I create on the basis that what I'm feeling right now, what is my experience with it, and what is the solution for it, because I am also solving that thing in my life. So that I want for other people to show my solution to other people. So if they like it, they will gonna have it, and if they don't like, it is very right for me, it is very okay for me. So this is how I also develop and grow my own self and my consciousness. This same happened to me. So it is not bad that if you are at level 1 or level 2, but the question is, what are you willing to do with it, or are you willing to go up in consciousness? So that is the thing. I am also in the level 1 in some years, or level 2, or in level 3, or in level 4 right now. So that is how your growth is happen. Like, I also go through all of these levels, and now I am in some level. So but that is the thing. But the question is, are you willing to go up into the consciousness? And understanding this, you will not gonna go in loop of brain rot or doom scrolling, and you start your creation journey and from your own consciousness. So that's why you will not gonna have problem like I am having brain rot, or I am just stuck in the loop of doom scrolling. That will not gonna be a problem, because you are here a conscious creator who will gonna create thing from your own consciousness. People like this, like people that are in the level 4, they are like this. They don't consume what is trending, they consume that what other people don't consume till now, like the books that is not in the trending. Like I always read or choose the book to read that is not trending at all. I like consume articles or books from the old thinkers like Aristotle, Seneca, and all of that. So this is how you have to act upon it. This is how you gonna create a new consciousness for your own self, and start your creative journey. Start from a stage where you can be very creative, where you are creating the thing that you really want to see. So people will also gonna follow it, and you will gonna go forward in your own journey. And it is very very good for you that you are not competing with what is on trending, and you are not in that loop of I am good, I am this, I am that. You are not in this loop, but you are in the thing that you are creating your things. You are creating the things that you love to do. You are doing it, and that is how all the loops work. So this is the solution for the future, where you go beyond AI thinking and social media algorithm, and making benefit of all of this thing. That is the solution. You can apply this in your job, in your hobbies, or any creation that you want to. Or if you're having any problem related to it, the root of it is inside you, and its solution is also inside you. So the problem is inside you, and the solution is also inside you. That is the thing, because your consciousness is shaping who you are and how great you will do in your things, because energy, beliefs, emotions, or conviction are coming from whatever you are consuming, and that consumption is creating your life and its pattern. That is the root of what you are having in your life right now. So you have to make yourself the last decision maker of every life areas you have to be that decision maker. Your decision maker will not gonna be other person, it will not gonna be a reel, or it will not gonna be some other person, it should be you. So you can have the reality you want, not what people or social media want from you. You should have a life that you want, not the social media that want for you. Because in social media, in reels, in thoughts, there are a lot of thing that is talking about world war and all of this manipulation things that a lot of people understand. I know this thing, that you also understand this, that all of the thing, manipulation, politics, all of this thing, don't want to go there. But yeah, this is the thing, that you have to be in your consciousness, you have to create from your own consciousness, so you can have the life that you want, not the life that social media or other people want it for you. So yeah, this is all for this video. Please tell me in the comments what you think about it, what you think about consciousness levels, and if you are in consumption, if you are in consuming things like that, what you think about it, what your opinion, what your perception about content consumption, and how that consumption is shaping your life right now. Because we are the generation where we seeing all of this thing, but majorly some percent of people understand this, and a lot of people of a lot of percent of people that don't understand about it. So I want you to be in that percent of people where you are conscious about what is going on in your life and how it is creating your own life. So you, like, this is what I want you to be: very aware and very conscious about what your life is like that, and how your life patterns are forming every day.